Hi and welcome back into the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix if you're experiencing the offline mode error in the Rockstar Games Launcher. So you can try the following troubleshooting steps to fix the issue. First one is to simply check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and active internet connection. The Rockstar Games Launcher requires an internet connection to authenticate your account and verify game licenses. Next is to restart the Rockstar Games Launcher. So close the launcher completely and relaunch it. Sometimes a simple restart can solve temporary connectivity issues. Next is to disable any antivirus or firewall. Temporarily disable any antivirus or firewall software on your computer, because sometimes these programs can block the Rockstar Games Launcher from connecting to the internet. Next one is to verify game files. So if you are having trouble with a specific game such as Grand Theft Auto V or Red Dead Redemption 2, you can try verifying the game files within the Rockstar Games Launcher. And to do this, you can go to your library tab and then locate the game in question and click the three-dot menu next to it and then choose Verify Files. Next is to run the Rockstar Games Launcher as an administrator. So right-click on the Rockstar Games Launcher icon and then select Run as Administrator. This step can help ensure that the launcher has the necessary permissions to access the internet. Next way is to disable any VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it temporarily. These services can sometimes interfere with the Rockstar Games Launcher's ability to connect online. Next one is to clear Rockstar Games Launcher cache. So open the Rockstar Games Launcher and you can go to the settings, or it is the gear icon in the top right corner, and click on the General tab and then scroll down to find the Clear Cache button. I hope you're following, and then just click on it to clear the launcher's cache. And lastly, you can reinstall the Rockstar Games Launcher. If all else fails, you can try reinstalling the Rockstar Games Launcher. Uninstall it from your system and then download the latest version from the official Rockstar Games website and install it again. So if none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be helpful to reach out to Rockstar Games customer support for further assistance. So they can provide specific troubleshooting advice or investigate any potential server-side issues. And that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.